Hey, hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. It is Juju. Of course, who else would it be on the Back 40? Okay, so we have day 13, garden. So I really went out of my comfort zone and I did this little media painting. And I was going to try to do like Christina, Well, most of it came off my thumb. It didn't come off my thumb. But, I didn't use gloves. I wanted to feel the paint squishy. So I painted with my fingertips. And it wasn't too bad. It was fun, actually. So this is my garden wall. We have my garden. And I'm looking out, at the rest of my back 40. And there's the tree line and, and the other little garden, the hills. It's just little something something. And then behind here, so this is an envelope, and then behind here I have a tag that I made to go in the pocket, a little cluster on it. And that is day 13. I had fun getting out that comfort zone. So you try to get out your comfort zone and come up with a little something yourself and have a ball. That's what it's all about. And remember, if all else fails and it just looks horrible, 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 we'll just put it in the graveyard and I'll take it to the grave and we won't tell nobody. Y'all have a good weekend. Bye. Love you.